So you want to sell your home, but you want to sell your home as is because you don't want to do any repairs. However, does an as-is sale for a seller really equate to no repairs? On the surface, one would think that it does. However, that may not be the case. In most townships or boroughs, there is something referred to as a use and occupancy, or a certificate of occupancy. And these documents tell the buyer that the home meets the local codes that the township has adopted. Codes are things that would need to be repaired from a safety perspective. To give you an idea, some of these things might be trip hazards for the public sidewalk, visible address numbers so that in the event first responders need to respond, they can find your home, or functioning locks on your doors and windows. The list goes on and can be short or it could be lengthy. It all depends on the township or borough in which you reside. Generally, a as-is sale pertains to the repairs that a buyer may request post doing a home inspection or a termite inspection or a combination of the two. If a seller generally is disclosing that the home is being sold as is, generally they're conveying that the buyer has the right to do their due diligence, do all the inspections you'd like. At the end of that duration, you are either going to decide to move forward or you're going to cancel the contract. You're not going to request repairs, credits, or a combination of the two that you would usually do in a traditional sale. However, again, that does not mean that the seller is alleviated from any and all repairs, because if a township or borough or city inspection is required, unless the seller is disclosing up front, like we do in the MLS, they are liable to do so. Or they will have to negotiate that with you when they become aware of any defects or repairs noted by the township. Again, there is language in the agreement of sale that specifically covers this, but the key thing is being aware up front for not only a buyer, but also a seller, that if you are going to sell a home as is because you want to completely alleviate any and all repairs, make sure that you are also providing language about the local inspection, whether it's the township, the city, or borough. So with all that being said, hopefully you found a little bit of value to this content. If so, do me a favor, please like, comment, or share. And with all that being said, tune in next week for the very next Just the Tip Tuesday with Chris. Until then, take care.